Ever wonder why some passengers always seem to get the first class upgrade while you're still in economy? Delta's upgrade process isn't random. It's based on a strict hierarchy. In this video, we'll break down exactly how Delta decides who gets those coveted upgrades in 2025. When we say upgrade, we're talking about moving from main cabin or Comfort Plus into first class or Delta One. These can be complimentary for elite members or available through miles and certificates. The single biggest factor is your medallion status. The order goes like this: Diamond Medallion, Platinum Medallion, Gold Medallion, and then Silver Medallion. Higher status equals higher priority. If you're Diamond, you'll clear upgrades before any Platinum on the list. Not all economy tickets are equal. Passengers with higher fare classes, like Main Cabin Y, B, or M, are prioritized over lower, deeply discounted fares. So even two Platinums may have different upgrade chances depending on the fare they booked. Holding a Delta Sky Miles American Express card can boost your chances slightly, especially if you're spending heavily on the card. Delta looks at medallion qualification dollars MQDs and loyalty spend global and regional upgrade certificates given to Diamond and Platinum medallions. Jump you ahead of the complimentary upgrade list. If you apply one to your booking, you'll usually clear before others without certificates. Timing also matters. If you check in late or request an upgrade late, you may be further down the list. Early check-in doesn't guarantee an upgrade, but it avoids being bumped behind last-minute flyers. Traveling with a companion? Your upgrade clears as a group. That means if you're number one on the list, but your partner is lower status, you may both drop lower in priority. When multiple passengers have the same status and fare class, Delta looks at million miler status, loyalty spend year to date or time of booking. It's all about rewarding long-term loyalty. You can see this in real time on the Delta app. Before boarding, check the upgrade list. It shows where you rank compared to others on your flight. Don't be surprised if it shifts last-minute elites often bump to the top. The system is fair for elites, but tough for casual flyers. If you're silver or have no status, complimentary upgrades are rare on busy routes. Still, it's possible on off-peak flights. So Delta upgrades aren't random. It's a carefully designed hierarchy. Status, fare class, loyalty, and timing all matter. Have you ever scored a free upgrade on Delta? Drop your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insider airline tips, travel hacks, and Delta updates.